Alright, so just got these 3 packs from Target just now. We're gonna open them up. Alright, Vinny, you ready? Alright, you open up that one. I'll open up this one.
Ooh.
Oh, licky, that sucks. Alright, give me your pack. Good job, buddy. What one was this? Lost Thunder? I want to focus.
So one more. There's one more. One more.
Version. That was another trashy. Some more trashy cards.
Done.
One more last one.
Can I? It's so fast. It's already been there like a minute.
There's so many trash pulls.
Trash.
We got a Giratina. That's the one good pull we got today. Ooh! We got a Zeraora GX. Finally, we got something good. I was gonna be so sad if we didn't get anything good today. That is so cool.
That's good though.
Look, feel it. Like has a texture too. Oh, that's cool, huh? That's awesome. Awesome. I'm so stoked that we got that.
And we have Mewtwo.
So our one good pull we're gonna put in our Zeraora card sleeves. So awesome.
That's our most value. When
Right on, dude. Congratulations, Vinny.
it's my